So this is the cute little game I made for my sorting dinosaurs, and I can move the dinosaurs into the little box to sort them between 2 legs and 4 legs. And nothing else on the screen can be moved, only the dinosaurs, which is what I'm going to show you how to do right now. So I just made a blank Google Slides and I uploaded a background to the slide. So actually I found mine on Google. I just went into Google and typed forest background clip art because that's the kind I wanted. Find one, and then I copied it to Paint. Oh no, sorry, I saved image as. I saved it onto the computer as whatever background. And then go back to your Google slide and you can go to the slide tab up here and click change background. Then you can choose the image from your upload, you can upload the image from your computer onto it. So mine will be in downloads. Here it is. And then that adds it to the back of the slide. Obviously this one I've picked wasn't a very large image, so it's a bit crappy. Then after that, I got rid of these boxes, and to make my little, these white box things, I inserted a shape. So I inserted this shape here and copy and pasted it. So I had 2 or, however many you desire. And then what I did was I screenshot this and put it into Paint. So I did a print screen on my PC, but I believe on the Mac you can do a screenshot. Then I went into Paint and added it in. Just selected only the background, obviously. And then I saved this as a picture. So background. Okay, then when you go back into your Google Slides and you can change the background, choose the image, you can use the one that you've just uploaded the one you've just added the boxes to. So then when the kids use it, they can't move the boxes anywhere. So the boxes you put on there, you need to delete. But when you do, the background is those boxes and they can't be moved. Also, while you're in Paint with this is where you could add the text to say what you wanted in there. Small dinosaurs versus big dinosaurs or whatever you wanted. You put it into Paint. And then when you save the Paint, obviously you'll need to, again, like I said, change the background. And for this, I just add, I just choose the same one again because I just resaved it. And there it is. And nobody can move any of the things here because this is just a picture in the background. Then you can add in your images. Like for me, I use these dinosaurs. You can then add those in to the slide and they are movable. So the next thing I did after that was I made on my drive, I made in my resources a dinosaur sorting folder, and I made a copy of my original Google Slides, and I made all copies for the kids and put their name on it. So when the kids click into it, they can move the dinosaurs on the slide themselves and it will be saved under their name. So the parents can either upload in the classroom the link for this, or it's just saved in the folder. So you can see the assignment when they finish it, it will be saved in that folder. This is my 5-minute limit. If you have any questions, please let me know.